Hi, Sarah Peternell here with Family Nutrition Services. I wanted to answer a question that I get quite frequently from a lot of my clients and also from a lot of messages from some of my followers on social media, including Instagram. The question is, if I have Hashimoto's, do I have to eat meat? Does this sound like something you've said to yourself or maybe asked one of your practitioners before? In my opinion, the answer is yes. I do work with a lot of vegans and a lot of vegetarians who have Hashimoto's or other thyroid conditions who do not eat meat, but I find that they do not get as well, as fast as those who do consume animal protein. And I just wanted to be really honest about this because I do have people who choose not to work with me because I tell them that if they ask for my opinion, hey, I'm a vegan, can you still work with me? And I tell them, yes, of course I can, but I do want them to know that they will not get as well as fast as people who are eating animal protein. And there are several reasons why this is true. The first thing is that your thyroid gland is made of tissue and a lot of cells. This gland is very, very sensitive to all of the environment around it, and it relies on the replenishment daily of the essential amino acids that really can only be replenished at that level through animal protein. So it's something that I want people to think about when they're really considering whether or not their health is something that they want to get back and that they really don't want to face critical symptoms. They don't want to face these terrible symptoms and side effects that maybe they've been used to for a long time. Take a really good look at your diet. Take a look at what might be missing. I support a plant-based diet. In fact, I think that eating as many plants, as many fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, if that works with your system, is really one of the best absolute diets out there. But I do also believe that people with Hashimoto's need animal protein in order to replenish the tissue of the thyroid gland. Protein is what helps the thyroid gland to heal. When you have autoimmune disease of the thyroid, your immune system has been attacking that tissue, leaving little tiny holes and chunks and nibbles. I remember on my very first ultrasound of my thyroid, my eyes were popped open wide and my jaw was hanging down because I couldn't believe what I was seeing that she was showing me on the ultrasound. My thyroid looked like Swiss cheese. I had so much damage done to my thyroid in my late teens and early 20s before I was diagnosed that I literally was missing part of my thyroid gland. And that's pretty common, I think. I think that atrophy of the gland, inflammation of the gland, and even destruction of the gland can take place. And the variable amino acids and the protein that we get from animal sources, high quality animal sources, like I'm talking about from grass-fed beef, I'm talking about from like wild caught fish, including salmon, organic poultry, pasture-raised eggs, other proteins that maybe you don't think of sometimes, including bison or lamb, even ostrich meat. I know it sounds crazy, and organ meats in particular. These all have really wonderful benefits for your body, helping to repair. The main thing is that your body probably isn't getting enough protein to begin with. Your larger muscle groups are using up a lot of that protein, and your digestive system is also using up a lot of those amino acids in order to heal if you have leaky gut. So the thyroid kind of gets, overlooked and missed in the process. And so eating enough protein and of the right types of protein is one of the fastest ways to get better. So I am going to be talking more about some of the macronutrients in some video series to come. I really want you to stay tuned for this information. It's important, it's helpful, and I think it's something that's lacking when doctors sit down with their clients and they talk about the benefits of potentially nutrition and how it can help heal the thyroid gland. It's not enough just to focus on the vitamins and minerals in a supplement form that you should be taking, although those are important too. It's really important that you know the right balance of protein, fat, and carbs and what each of these groups can do for you and then where to get them from. So today I just wanted to answer that question for all of you who are out there asking me, hi Sarah, I have Hashimoto's. Do I really need to eat meat? I just want you to know that my answer is yes. I think you will heal faster and you will feel better, and your body will thank you for putting that protein into your body. So check out the resources page of my website. There's a link there to an awesome company called ButcherBox, and it's literally the way that our family survives. We order meat from them every single week. You've probably seen some of my other videos, some of my recipes that I've been preparing and videotaping for you guys. We use the ButcherBox because everything is sustainably sourced, humanely harvested, organic, grass-fed, free range, and it's very affordably priced. And we get a pretty big size box for our family of 4 because we have a lot of omnivores in my family, and it's just really a great deal. So I'll be talking more in the weeks to come and in the videos to come about what you need to know about the right macronutrients to help heal, eating the right macronutrients to help heal your thyroid. So thanks for watching, and go back and visit some of my other videos if you haven't seen those that are up there. I've got some great new recipes, one for a smoothie, one for great Brussels sprouts that even your kids will love. And I've got lots of other information about Hashimoto's, including one that I just posted recently about whether or not you should be taking CBD oil if you have Hashimoto's. So check them out, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.